Waste management is a huge problem for many urban areas. Thousands of tons of waste are created and dumped both in managed and unmanaged landfills on a daily basis all over the world. Decomposing waste from these landfills generates large volumes of gases that leak into the atmosphere and affect our climate by heating up the Earth. The same decomposing waste generates a leachate that penetrates the soil and pollutes watersheds. Odors and undesirable animals living in landfills affect nearby communities. It is a difficult problem to many governments around the world, a challenge that requires a new approach. Shift Energy's vision is to transform landfills from environmental hazards to renewable product facilities. Shift Energy's design has a zero environmental footprint, truly converting landfills into clean, renewable products resources. It is the solution to waste. Here's how the process works. Waste arrives in the landfill and is automatically sorted. Metals, glasses and other materials are separated for recycling. The rest is reduced in size, dried and converted into small briquette called refuse-derived fuel or RDF. The RDF is then fed into a large reactor where it is subject to high heat and quickly becomes a gas. Gasification systems have been used since the 1800s. In South Africa and the United States, they are used to convert coal into a high-energy gas that runs turbines and generates electricity. The synthesis gas in Shift Energy's process is cleaned from all impurities and then converted into clean, renewable fuels for use in land and air transportation. This fuel upgrade process is named Fischer-Tropsch, after Franz Fischer and Hans Tropsch, the inventors who developed it in the 1920s. It is the same process used by major oil refineries, but instead of using a fossil source like oil, coal or natural gas to produce the fuel, Shift Energy's design is based on municipal waste, a key difference to create a drop-in, clean, renewable fuel. The syngas can also be used to produce renewable chemicals. The design is optimized to also produce significant amounts of clean, renewable electricity from the heat generated by the process, enough to run the entire plant and send several megawatts to the grid. Clean, renewable fuels, clean, renewable electricity, and clean, renewable chemicals, the clear solution to the urban waste problem. Shift Energy, today's answer to our waste management problems.